everybody? Like a little slow neighborhood vlog here. So I made a video about working out and shit like that, right? And one of my ideas for working out or getting back in shape, exercising, something like that, was I busted out my old BMX, old mongoose. I'm too old for that shit. I rode it up and down the street a couple times, rode some wheelies, stuff like that. But I'm too old for that shit. But one thing I was wanting to do is, I'm looking at mountain bikes now. I haven't ridden a mountain bike in years. I've always been a BMX guy. So I talked to a few different people. Brit Ninja one, because he'd be riding that mountain bike life back and forth to work. And that's, I mean, I'm sure I'll do stuff like that. I'm not gonna ride back and forth to work. My work's 16 fucking miles away. I'm not doing that shit. But I was thinking more along the lines of ride around, get my legs back into shape, and then hit up some fucking trails, you know? Not like some of that shit you see on fucking Facebook or Instagram or YouTube, them dudes downhill mountain racing on them motherfuckers. I ain't doing none of that shit. Broken bones. But I saw it as a way to not only get me back in shape, but get me back to doing different stuff. So, I don't know, just kind of curious, what are y'all's thoughts on that shit? You know, leave me a comment, a like, a share. Or don't like, I don't give a shit. Do whatever you want. You are your own person. But at least give me a comment. Leave me a positive comment of what you guys think about that. How many of you guys out there do it? How many of you guys out there fucking ride bicycles still? I'm 41 years old, I'm talking about doing this shit. But how many other people out there doing that stuff still? Let me know. So that's gonna do it for this one. Just a really short one, just kind of get an idea. And if you do, let me know what you ride, what kind of helmets and shit you wear too, because I want to be able to mount GoPros and shit like that. So let me know. Dream about me, and I will catch you on the flip side. Later.